on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, back with more LED lights for trucks. Here we have a brand new Dodge Promaster van. It's featuring our LIN-6 in the grille, one amber, one white. We chose the solid color to give it a bigger punch and alternate the color in the front because we were only going to do 2 lights on this vehicle. We've also put our universal park flash kit onto the OEM clearance lights in the back. It was a bit tricky when that was installed because these lights don't wire quite like every other set of OEM lights. But if you want to do this, give us an email. We can try to guide you through the process. The Dodge roof lights are a little bit tricky. Let me spin this around and show you what we have in the back of the van as well. Out back of this van, we've got our LED HAW Duo. We went with the HD high dome version in white and amber, a set of white and a set of amber in an X pattern in the OEM lenses. That job is not too difficult on this van. We also added a Thin-X TIR series amber white split to the top of the van. We've got them alternating on an opposite color alternation. Here you can see our Thin-X TIR series amber white split on the top van there. Right here you can see our LED HAW Duo in the HD version in amber and white in the factory lens there. You can also see our new plate frames and plate inserts, so if you don't have yours, get in touch with us and get yourself one. This is controlled off a simple 3/4 flush mount dashboard switch. We just picked a nice spot on the left side of the dashboard. Be sure to check the descriptions of the video for links to purchase all of these products individually and as a kit. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.